Okay, I want to do a quick demo on our Lookup Populate control. Let's talk about it for a second. Say you're doing Word documents, in this case we'll do a flood insurance, and the contact is the client. On these documents, I want to add in the adjuster company, the flood insurance company, and so forth. If I attach them as a company inside of here, we don't know which company is the flood company, which is the adjuster company. We want to generate the document. What we're going to do is go to Tools and go to Design Layouts and Impact. Over here on our toolbox, we're going to go to Controls, and here at the bottom is Populate Lookup. So let me drag that onto the screen. And it's the first thing it asks is, which table do you want to look up from? I have my insurance companies and so forth as contacts, so I'm going to add it as a contact table, looking up from the contact table. You want to set a field, a mapping system. We have, again, inside of here, we see flood company, flood contact, and so forth. So we want to pull the flood company from the company name. So I'm going to add it, and I'm going to say it goes into the flood company name. And let's just go down the list. Contact, I'm going to add it as the flood contact name. And so forth. Now I'm going to do all these, and we're going to be done in a second. Okay, as you can see, I mapped these fields. So what do we got? 8 fields or so. The company from the contact goes into the flood company field, and so forth. So address, city, state, zip. These can be whatever fields that you want. You create your own map. And I'm going to say look up flood. That's what's going to be on the button. I'm going to say okay. And here's our button, look up flood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just gently bring this over here, and I want to put it up here so users know where it is. Okay, let's save and close this. Okay, so now I have my new lookup flood button here, so I'm going to click on that, and what it does is it asks you which contact you want to select. So I'm going to use this Ryan Chubb. I'm going to look him up. I'm going to add him. So that's all you have to do is add him in and click on OK. Voila. So my flood company contact name is all done for me. I don't have to type it in. This is great when you're doing a Word document and you want to quickly just generate a Word document using a template, and you have the flood contact name. And I have the adjuster here too. I pre-did this. So let's look at the adjuster. So I'm going to select Eric Johnson as the adjuster. I'm going to say OK. And there he is. Voila, all done. You can have multiples. I have companies that have up to 14 of these buttons, because what they're doing is they're taking all their contact information and they're generating singular documents with all that on there. And if you need to change that, say I forgot to add a field, or I want to add the website field. If I go back into the designer, at any time I can select that control, go back to the properties, and as you can see, I can edit the fields that are going to be populated for me. Again, if we go back to the lookup, we found the lookup underneath controls. That was the populate lookup. We just dragged it onto the screen. If we select an existing lookup, like I have the adjuster field, if I go to properties, I can adjust which fields, and if we forgot to add the website field, I can add the website field. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.